Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video, and if you couldn't tell, I am somewhere type of like bar, and if you can tell by the title, I got 2 new squishies. Why do I always get to something? But they cost me £45 in total, and I'm like shocked. So the first squishy that I got is this one. It's a very slow rising and very soft. It's even starting to move. And I squished it and it's very nice. Okay, do you guys like my ring? Yeah, I got it today. Then last but not least, I've been dreaming of this squishy for a long time. It is the strawberry one. The orange thing or whatever colors, yeah, the orange one, it kind of looks right on the camera, fell off this one. And it feels like, wow, I don't know. Like, I don't know. It just feels like just like a dot on that. So yeah. And then yeah, this is how it looks like. It's really polarizing. Smells really good too, but yeah. So I'm gonna rank them from best to worst, and there's only 2, so yeah. Best, I would say this because of how it looks like and how it squishes like. Second, I'd say this. It would have been best, but this one just looks way better. But yeah, this one I don't think I'm gonna keep in the bag because I don't even have space. And actually, I think I'm gonna keep it on like a shelf or something. Yeah, and it's pretty slower, I think. So, did I say I numbered them? Yeah. So best and the worst. And it's not the worst, I just have to rank them. So yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, I showed you my ring. Yeah, it did cost me quite a lot, but yeah. It's real gold. So yep, I hope you guys enjoyed this video with 2 new squishies, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm sorry I didn't do it tomorrow. Today I couldn't find my headphones or whatever you call it, earpods or something. Oh yeah, so I'll see you in my what do I have here? Oh, that. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.